Let's review. Let's toggle between these two words, O and oak. Write them as many times as you can. O and oak. Now let's try oat and boat. Oat, boat. Oat, boat. And these two words, mow and dough. Mow and dough. Mow, dough. And coke and coal. Coke, coal, coke, coal. And bone and bowl. Bone, bowl. Write them as many times as you can. Bone, bowl. Let's toggle between pout and doubt. Pout, doubt. Pout, doubt. And next words, debt and bet. Debt, bet. Debt, bet. And the words lit and pit. Lit, pit. Lit, pit. And how about hoot, using our double O vowel? Hoot and hut. Hoot, hut. Hoot, hut. Write that as many times as you can. Now let's write cat and coat. Cat, coat. Toggle back and forth between cat and coat. Our next word pair will be mitt and moot. Toggle between mitt and moot. Next, rot and tut. Rot, tut. Rot, tut. Rot, tut. And I know you can write soap and sap. Toggle between soap and sap. Soap, sap. Now let's write sown, S long O-N, and soon, S-double-O-N. Sown, soon. Sown, soon. Toggle between those two. Your next pair, set, sat. We'll make it a threesome. And sit. Set, sat, sit. Set, sit, sat, set. And the next pair will be soil and soul. Soil, soul. Soil, soul. And can you try something a little bit different? Soar and loaf. Soar and loaf. Toggle between soar and loaf. Our next word pair is going to be sun and some. Now we're going to use the vowel U. So sun as in up in the sky and some as in a bunch of money. Sun and some. Sun and some. Toggle between those using the vowel U. And then we'll do the same combo with the vowel O. Some as in I had some cake. And son, my son is 28 years old. Some and son. With the vowel O, some, sun. Now the next pair, sass, mass. Sass, mass. Toggle back and forth between those two words as many times as you can. And then we'll move to boss and toss. Boss, toss. Boss, toss. How about loose and less? Loose, less. Loose, less. And house and douse. House, douse. House, douse. And sis, kiss. Sis, kiss. Sis, kiss. Toggle back and forth between those. And your last pair, bus and cuss. Bus, cuss. Bus, cuss. Toggle and write those as many times as you can. Great job.